What's up, what it do, YouTube? It is your girl Joc. Tandy was being rude in the first intro. She started laughing like she never heard nobody. The car being rude.
And it's my turn this time.
And we made it. We're in Florida. I'm opening the video up in Florida. Tandy's digging in her pants. But we're here. The cruise line is freaking ridiculous. So we're about to go join in. So in the process of that, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn the post notification bell so you not miss a video. Period. Because it's up there and it's stuck there, and that's just that on that. Y'all, the line is crazy. The line is crazy. It's blurring it, y'all can't tell, but yeah, I'll be back.
Little nigga wanna try it. I told him Black Lives Matter, I'm a riot. Oh, ass fat, I had to buy it. Ain't a nigga alive that's gonna deny it. This nigga making me feel erotic. He a freak like
so guys, our little voyage is gonna be 10 days. 10 days at sea. I don't know what we're gonna do because I can't swim, but but we gonna figure it out. Y'all like my hair? Y'all, we're still standing in line. It's been like 2 hours and we're still waiting. The line is still like fucking, the line is still bad. Wait, let me show you. The line is still like bad. And we gotta go all the way back there and go all the way back around. I'm over it. What you say?
I said a little girl got eczema. I know she itchy.
You itchy for her?
Yeah.
Y'all, we still gotta walk all the way back down there. This shit crazy, bro. I'm tired of fucking standing on here. Y'all, it is 6:08. We've been in line since 2:17, and we finally done made it past everything that we had to make it past, I guess. Y'all, so we finally made it on the boat. They in here trying ice cream.
You know how many with peanut butter?
No.
Thank you.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut?
Yeah.
Is it?
Hazelnut is good.
You would like. Sure.
Hazelnut?
It's like
You like
chocolate.
Nutella?
Do you like chocolate? That's what Nutella is, nigga.
I like peanut butter. That's why.
Nutella ain't peanut butter, it's hazelnut.
Yeah, I know. Oh no.
I will change your mind.
Let me see.
Oh, it's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
I don't like chocolate.
Yeah.
But y'all, what do you do? I'm back. It's my birthday. And we on the boat. Y'all, we had a rough night last night. Look. This is 23. Yeah, we waited in line last night to get on the boat for 4 hours. And every time we got out of one line, we got to another line because we thought it was over. And it wasn't. We stood here. We got in line at 2:17. What time we finally made it in? 6:17. That was after that. It was 6:30. But I didn't want to record no more last night because it took forever. It took all our little energy. Blame MSC Cruise Lines. Because, what's that? I thought you was talking. My mama said Carnival's better.
Yes, way better, baby.
Because that wait was ridiculous.
Fuck what you heard.
Y'all had us in line for 6 hours. That shit is not cool. Well, 4 hours in line. But, yeah. We just got up. We just got up to eat breakfast. And it started raining. So, the deck is clear right now. I gotta go get my life together. I'm trying to finish editing my photos. Because the photographer, I ain't gonna say that. But, yeah.
Dirty ass part.
We finna walk the boat to see what's going on. I left my tripod, my arm tied. Let me show y'all. This is the back of the boat. Y'all, I'm out here third wheeling on my birthday. My mom, her girlfriend up there. It's just me solo dolo by myself, but it's cool. Gang gang. All my shoes is getting wet. I got on these furry shoes and they getting wet. That's the only thing about being on the boat. It rained and then where you supposed to go? Ew, my toes. I need some more scenery. This is the outdoor pool. I think this, yeah, the outdoor pool one city. Yeah, this the outdoor pool. Everybody be out here at nighttime, be real lit, but it was just raining. So they not out here right now. They coming back out now. A little rain don't hurt nobody. They out there mopping the water off the floor, so. It's a hot tub in here. And then you get to the indoor pool. And you got hot tubs down there. And then this is the indoor bamboo pool. It looked like it's like 4 hot tubs in here. Because it's one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. I don't know if that's a hot tub over there or not. I don't think so. I think that's seating. But it's 4. It's 2 up top, 2 at the bottom, and then it's the big old pool. And then you go outside. Remember, the pool was out there. Yeah. Let me see if I can go show y'all from the window. Remember, guys? The big bamboo pool with the statues. Yeah.
For all guests who embarked yesterday
Your
and
guys'
didn't
floor.
attend the drill, please proceed now to the theater on deck 6 and show your cruise card. Drinking and smoking are not allowed. At the end, you will be escorted to your assembly station. Señoras y señores,
Guys, we have to learn about safety precautions on the boat.
At least they called us
What to
before
do.
we got to the room. They called us right when we got on the elevator.
What to do and what not to do. I'm back, guys. I look cute now. My hair done. I got makeup on. Outfit is going. We were walking the boat because we done docked and we finna go to the Bahamas. We finna get off and actually, you know, walk the island. We finna get off and actually walk the island and go to the beach and stuff. I'm hungry. I haven't ate since we've been here. I didn't eat at all yesterday. I was so irritated. But y'all see the boat? Look at them back there making friends. We going down to phone so we can get off. And once we find our way off the boat, I will be back. To land after a hell of a day yesterday. We made it somewhere else. It's bright as hell. I'm mad my sunglasses ain't come because I can't fucking see. It's hot, but I ain't gonna start complaining yet.
Please don't.
But it's hot as hell. I can tell the difference from yesterday.
At least we weren't standing in the sun.
We was in Florida. We not in Florida.
You ain't too far.
Shit. It's hot.
People live. The rest are uninhabited. People from the other islands, a lot of people that live here, they come here for work, they come here for employment. They get most of the jobs and opportunities.
Tandy. Not that.
Resorts in the Caribbean. You know, you heard about Atlantis, right? Right. You ever heard about Bahamas?
Yeah.
Like the basketball player Kevin Durant. Everyone likes to call me KD.
You can play ball?
I can play ball, yeah. I took my high school to the championship.
Period.
You know what I mean?
Let's go.
So it's just the D, not the K. But if you want to call me KD, that's cool. So the first place we're going to look at, ladies, is we're going to look at Parliament Square. Okay? Now this is Parliament Square right here on the left of Queen Victoria, former British monarch. She reigned in the Bahamas for 66 years. Now to the left is a statue of Sir Milo B. Butler. He's another Bahamian hero icon. He was the first governor general ever as an independent country.
Sorry, y'all. I had to mute the video because I didn't realize he was playing music while we was in the car. I did not realize it until I started editing. So yeah, I'm gonna just put some instrumental over it so I don't get copyrighted, y'all. I'm sorry.
Now, a lot of people say when you get down here, you feel like you're in the rainforest.
Wait, I want to get a picture. It's a video. I do YouTube. I do YouTube.
Do YouTube, darling?
Yeah, tell them hey.
Hey, this is Duran in the Bahamas. The best cab driver ever. I'm chilling with the birthday girl right here and her two beautiful friends, and then joining.
These are my moms.
That's the sign?
These are my moms.
Mom number
Okay.
one, mom number two.
Oh, I just did this. Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The rock and roll or what?
Yeah. That fast. You got this. You got this. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Oh. Don't let me gas your head up for you to come back down. Cause I'm gonna take my time. Come on, y'all right back there? We done did the most exercising on this vacation.
You got it.
And we only on day 2.
Yeah? Tell him you weren't scared. Some of them scared to walk these steps, but you did it.
We got 8 more days.
All right. Okay? And he has to report to the king or queen of England everything that's happening down here. All right? Now, you know right now, all across the Caribbean, people are getting rid of the monarchy. In Barbados, they really ditched the monarchy. It's really deep down there.
Distillery, but please make sure that your flash is off. And he just gonna nod his head and say, okay. Hey, see, turn that heat up, nigga. He done shoot that piece of got on. Not you kissing at the bird like it's Hennessy.
Right? Intended for.
I was so surprised when I
Ready?
found out y'all don't get the pure white back home.
Oh, yeah, the Hennessy.
We're at the rum cake factory. So I'm gonna assume it's rum infused cake.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, see, turn that heat up, nigga. Got to have it. Y'all get one seat. Look, come on. Ooh. What kind was that?
I feel the whole shot of it. Yeah.
What kind that was?
2 shots. 2 times.
$7.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
It was just gonna be one shot. You can't mess it up, though.
Yeah, it's my birthday. We don't gotta take one. And she fill them motherfuckers up. She ain't leave no room in there.
She told me not to fill it up. But a shot if it's not filled up.
Where yours? They're not listening.
Ready? Happy birthday. Oh, that was smooth. That was smooth.
That's fine. We done took a shot everywhere we went.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You got a nice
Now we trying to find
ladies,
food.
menu, ladies. Bush guys.
Sure.
Yellow pants,
Thank you. Atlanta.
Great food, great service. We also have our own restroom inside.
We're off of the little tour, and we're trying to find something to eat because we still have not ate all day, like I told y'all earlier. It's right here. We're headed back to the boat after a day in the Bahamas. It started raining on us, so it's time to get the fuck on. I don't know what we're gonna do. We probably gotta find somewhere to take pictures. Nobody got a chance to take pictures today. Watch the water. So today we went on a tour. So today we went on a tour of the Bahamas. And we went to the distillery. What is 66 steps was called?
That's the Queen's stairwell.
We went to the Queen's stairwell.
My fat ass almost ain't make it back up.
No, Tandy almost didn't make it back up. Tandy tripped going up, but y'all seen that already.
We oxygenated.
Cause Tandy, I caught that on camera. She told me something, wait, I need to go first, cause and still I almost failed.
Child, want to catch us? Y'all can catch us on the cruise ship.
On the MSC. Why we on the balcony and the man got binoculars looking at the other people?
That is a peeping Tom. That man look back at him like, what he see? Looking on that shit with them folks. So we got to bring binoculars. I still got some. Who the fuck bring binoculars?
To do shit like this?
What the fuck is that?
And everybody looking at
You would have
us.
seen me that morning. I was butt naked. I came out there with butt ass naked. When I see we got closer, let they like, oh shit.
Is it fair?
Jason.
Hi guys. We're at dinner. Look at my kids' plate. I got a little bit of everything. I'm gonna rate the cruise food right now, 1 to 10. I'm gonna give it a 2, and that's being nice about it.
Negative star. The shit sucks. Look at my fucking plate. It's disgusting. Disgusting. Fuck in this bitch. Don't ride.
Yeah, so to give the food, we're just gonna say we're not that impressed.
McDonald's on Old Nat better
The
than
fish
this.
ain't bad. Hey, that's why the line at McDonald's is so bad, so long.
Yeah.
Y'all seen it when we was in the car? We passed by the McDonald's, we was in the taxi. And the line was out the door. But I'm eating this pizza.
That's the best thing we can
And I
take.
ate some shrimp.
I need some ice cream.
Got a headache.
I need some ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Them pills in the room too.
I told her that's probably what I did.
You guys, it is no longer my birthday, but it is. We about to call it a night. We is not getting on the elevator right here, cause I ain't gonna be able to find my room.
We supposed to go that way?
Yeah. We walking back to the middle. That's what we gonna go. Cause y'all did that last time. I got there. When y'all just left, I got there. Got the elevator. And the right way. I had to walk all the way around. I said, you know what? Every time they leave me, it be the wrong fucking end of the boat.
Damn, somebody was in there been blowing up.
Well, you know what? I am gonna come to y'all room because somebody said something.
Yeah, damn.
It's
That's
stuck.
strong.
I was just finna say it ain't supposed to smell like that. That nigga when he smoked on the desk. My birthday ain't over. Day 1, Bahamas. Tomorrow we're going to Ocean Cay. It's up. See y'all tomorrow. Peace. Y'all, every time my mama leave me, I can't find my fucking room like I'm 6 or something. Every time she leave me, I can't never get back to the fucking room. And I have to walk the long way. And I'm over it. Cause now I'm walking a fucking maze. And when I tell her this, she gonna think it's so funny. I can't never get back to the room. I just told y'all I was leaving. But I just came back to tell y'all that I was lost. But I'm gonna find my way.
Just got a summertime tan. Man, we just putting dollars on your head. Niggas violating the gang, gon' end up dead. Lady in the street, but the freak home in the bed.